Hi, this is Kit, and today we are making natural deodorants. You just need 3 ingredients. You need coconut oil, bicarb soda, and arrowroot flour. And then the 4th optional ingredient is essential oils, but you don't have to have that. The steps are 2 tablespoons of arrowroot flour. This helps reduce moisture in the armpits, preventing bacterial growth, and helps thicken the deodorant. You can add more than 2 tablespoons to make it thicker. The second step is 2 tablespoons of bicarb flour. This helps reduce the moisture in the armpits, again preventing bacterial growth, and helps absorb odor. The third step is coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of that. That is an antibacterial naturally, coconut oil, and also is moisturizing, which is really great. So all you're going to do is mix it really well together. Just remember, this is a deodorant and not an antiperspirant, so you'll still sweat, but it will prevent any smells and odor. And the 4th step, which is an optional step, is adding tea tree oil or any essential oils that you have. I choose tea tree oil because it smells great, but it's also antibacterial, so it's a bonus. Other essential oils that you might like to try are lavender, citrus, or sandalwood. There are commercially made deodorants that are natural that you can buy, which has similar ingredients to this. Pop it into a jar, but the cost is actually a huge difference. So you're looking at maybe $30 compared to $1. It is a lot smoother, the commercially made one, and if you want it smoother, then maybe consider sifting the flour, but I'm just too lazy to do that, and this is good enough. So yeah, hopefully you give it a go and try it out for yourself, and like and subscribe, and you'll have more videos coming up soon. Alright, catch you next time. Bye!